Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? I'm Mickey. My name is Mickey. Mickey. My name is Mickey. My name is Mickey. I'm your friend. Today I have an alphabet friend for you. You like the alphabets? Yes, I also like it. Let's start the alphabets. A, B, 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 C, C, D, 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 E, F, F, G, 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 H, I, E, J, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Big A, small a. Big B, small b. Big C, small k. Big D, small d. Big E, small a. Big F, small f. Big G, small g. Big H, small h. Big I, small e. Big J, small j. Big K, small k. Big L, small l. Big M, small m. Big N, small n. Big O, small o. Big P, small p. Big Q, small qua. Big R, small r. Big S, small s. Big T, small t. Big U, small a. Big V, small v. Big W, small v. Big X, small x. Big Y, small y. Big Z, small z. These are the alphabets. Alphabets train. Where's Mickey? Mickey, where are you? Mickey. Mickey, where are you? Come here, Mickey. Oh, Mickey has come. Mickey. Mickey, start with me again. Mickey, come. Start here, Mickey. Mickey, come with me, Mickey. Mickey is going with us. Mickey like the alphabets. Do you like? Mickey like. Okay. A for apple. Apple. B for ball. Ball. C for cat. Cat. C for cat. Cat. D for dog. Dog. D for dog. Dog. E for elephant. Elephant. F for fish. Fish. G for goat. Goat. H for horse. Horse. I for inkpot. Inkpot. Joker. Joker. Key. Key. Line. Line. Monkey. 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 And nose. And nose. Nose. Ori. Parrot. Parrot. Queen. Queen. R for rabbit. Rabbit. S for sun. Sun. T for turtle. Turtle. U for umbrella. Umbrella. V for van. Van. W for window. Window. X for X-ray. Box. X. Y for yellow. Yellow. Z for zoo. Zoo. I know all alphabets and with their things. Let's kids sing with me. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time you won't sing with me. Bye bye.